What's up, guys? I got my hands on a pair of TRD engine air filters for my Tundra. Today I'm going to be installing them, showing you guys how to do that. I'll give you some thoughts. We'll take a little drive and see if it opens up the turbos a little bit more. Yes, I did say a pair of these filters because you need two for the engine in your Tundra. It is a twin turbo, one on each side. Let's get these things opened up and see what they look like. So here they are, the front and back, about yay big, should fit nicely in the filter section. They are the part specifically for this generation Tundra. It's got that nice TRD red going on. There's a like a black mesh lining in here. Let's get this thing opened up, give you guys a closer look. So here it is. Definitely gives off the vibe of like a K&N air filter. Seems pretty high quality. I ordered these from my local Toyota dealership. I paid $51 each for them. So yes, $102 plus tax total. More than your standard engine air filter. So you guys may be like, well, why the heck should we put TRD air filters in my truck or in my Toyota vehicle? Well, one of the benefits of these is that, as you can see on this little card that it comes with, they are technically washable and reusable if you maintain them properly. So in theory, investing in a little more expensive air filter is going to come with more longevity than the standard engine air filters. And when I remove these from the truck, I'll compare the two and kind of show you guys. But I'm pretty happy with how this looks and feels so far. It's a little like oily, slick. Comes a little pre-oiled from Toyota TRD. So it seems like a pretty quality filter. There's a QR code on here that I'll check out later. Instructions on how to properly care and maintain for them. See how much life we can get out of these before I have to replace them again. But I'm about 20,000 miles into driving this truck. I've had it for about 13 months. And my last maintenance at the dealer, they did recommend a engine filter change. I'm like, well, must be time to get my hands on some of these TRD filters. So there's the filters. I'm gonna get this other one opened up, and let's pop the hood and I'll show you guys how to replace them. Okay guys, so we got the hood popped in this 2024 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine. Looks like I need a little engine dust as well, getting a little pollen in here from Minnesota Spring. But here is one on the right side and the left side, or right and left, vice versa, depending on which way you're looking at it. Those are where the two filters are going to go. So there's just a series of clips that pop off. We're going to take the old filters out. Then we're going to put these new filters in there. I'll show you a comparison of the two before I fully install them. So let's start with this side here. There are a couple clips that you'll be able to see. One's here, one's there. We're going to pop those off, and then we're just going to be able to lift this encasement up, take out the old filter, and put the new one in. Just two quick little snaps. Lift that whole encasement up, and here is removing the old filter. So to give you guys a quick comparison of the filter we're removing and the filter we're installing, you can definitely notice a quality and build difference. This one's got a lot more, mesh linings closer together. This one has less, but it's got this also nice, metal framing around the filter cartridges there. So this definitely feels sportier, beefier. The idea here is that this is going to allow for better airflow while still properly maintaining the filtration of the turbos and the engine. I'm just going to allow those turbos to open up a bit, perform a little better. We may be able to hear a little more turbo noise, maybe a throttle response. We'll have to see. I'll let you guys know my thoughts, but let's get this thing replaced. So it's just a rectangle, not rocket science to place it in there. Just going to place in there the same way you remove the other one. Kind of press it down a little bit. It's really only one way it goes in, as it is rectangular shaped. There it is. Once you have it pressed down, we're going to snap this back in. There's those two little channels that go in there. Take these clips and snap them back on. The 1, 2. Filter is replaced. Same maneuver on the other side. 1, 2, take those off. There we got the old engine air filter. You can see it's definitely getting a little dusty, dirty. Probably could get a little more life out of it, but it'd be nice to get the new one in there. Press the new one down in there. Snap those clips back on. It's as easy as that, guys. And there you have it. Here's another look at those cheaper, older filters that I just took out. Again, these are just the ones that come from the factory. You could rebuy these ones too, but you know, it doesn't hurt to get the little upgraded TRD ones. I think my favorite feature about them is definitely going to be the cleanability and reusability because of the way they're designed. So, you know, hopefully getting one set of those will last just as long as getting multiple sets of these, and the cost kind of equals out in the end. Not to mention opening up those turbos a little bit more and potentially getting a little more throttle response. I'm not sure if it's going to be placebo effect or if I'll actually feel something, but I'll let you guys know here. Let's take it for a drive. I'm going to run a clip of me driving the truck and accelerating with these filters before I exchange them, trying to give you a little noise at the turbo. And then I'll try to record some noise now after with the new filters. See if you can hear the turbos more wind up and down on acceleration and release of the gas pedal. Otherwise, I'll just give you guys my thoughts and we'll talk about them. Okay guys, so I have not installed the new TRD air filters yet. I'm going to try to open up the turbos a little bit, give you as good of a sound as the engine as I can get at with this microphone, just to see if you can notice a difference between the before and after. So there you can hear the turbos whine a little bit on the acceleration. That was just going from, 10 to 55 miles an hour here. Maybe a little bit of wind down when I let off the gas pedal. Try to give one more run here. So yeah, you can definitely hear the turbos before, mainly on the acceleration. Not so much the wind down when the gas pedal is released. Let's see how it sounds with the new TRD air filters installed. All right, guys, so we've got the TRD air filters installed. I'm going to do a similar acceleration test, try to hold the microphone near the engine up on the windshield here, see if we can listen to those turbos whine a little bit. But otherwise, I'll just give you guys my thoughts. You'll have to just trust me or go try it out for yourself and see if you experience a similar thing. I have no clue what I'm going to experience yet. This is my first drive, first acceleration with the new air filters. So let's see if I can ever make this turn. Man, there we go. Interesting. Let's see if we're in a high gear here. I'm going to try to accelerate so you can hear those turbos. Okay guys, I have absolutely no idea if those clips are going to be helpful or not. I will say that I think with these new filters, there is a little bit more turbo noise I hear at lower speeds on that initial acceleration. Not a huge difference. Again, it was just my first drive, so I'll be curious to see if I notice any more as I continue to drive it. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Throttle response, I mean, pretty similar. The truck gets up and goes. I'm still loving the engine, so I don't want to claim much of a difference with these new air filters yet. Maybe time will tell here in the next few days as I continue to drive it consistently. I still think it's the right call to go with these filters from a maintaining and usability and reusability for that matter standpoint. I do like that, so I'm happy with them. $100, not cheap filters, but they do their job. If maybe we hear a little more turbo airflow, maybe a little more throttle response, and if I can use them for longer than I could use a standard air filter, why not? I'll put a link below to this product where you guys can check it out, and you can also order it at your own dealership. This is by no means sponsored by Toyota or anything. I just thought it'd be a good idea to keep with my TRD theme, get these air filters going. I've wanted to get them ever since I got the truck. So be curious to try them out. I'll keep you guys posted maybe in a few days, give you an update at what I think after a few days of driving. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know your thoughts on these TRD air filters if you're planning on using them or not. Leave any other comments, thoughts, questions below. I do my best to try to answer every question that I get. And again, appreciate y'all. See you in the next one.